Hello Amazon shoppers, it's Amy here with 911 Studios, and today I want to give a huge shout out to Alex Evening's beautiful dresses, especially this T-link dress here. I love this dress design because it has the matching jacket as well. It has just subtle sequin designs on it that are really well made. You're not gonna have to worry about the sequins coming off. And again, it's subtle. It's not going to be something that is so bling bling and flashy, but just enough to give a little bit of an elevated, elegant, special occasion vibe. This is going to be a beautiful dress. It just screams like, mother of the bride, something like that. Just gorgeous wedding dress to wear to a wedding or a special family event like that. I love reading some of the reviews on this of people that have worn them to weddings, special occasions, and really enjoyed and loved them. This is definitely a dress because it has the jacket that gives you a lot of options. If you are planning on wearing this to an event and you're not exactly sure what the weather is going to be. Sometimes it can, if you're going to something outdoors, maybe in spring or fall, and you're not sure if it's going to be cold that day or warm that day. We all know weather is hard to predict and it can change pretty quickly. So this is just such a great outfit for those occasions when you're not sure what the weather's gonna be like. You can buy this and you know that you are going to look totally lovely either way. Plus, I love that this dress has, the two pieces, because the jacket is something that you can totally repurpose and wear, with your favorite pair of slacks, or wear it over a different dress with a different skirt. You just have a lot of ways to mix and match this, and it doesn't have to be just a one-time dress. You can wear this again and again. It's great quality, and you can buy some of them on Amazon Prime Wardrobe and try them out before you buy them. Make sure that it fits and that it looks great on you and that you're happy with the quality. So, it's totally risk-free. There's no reason not to go ahead and try this out. You're gonna be super happy that you did.